Sanibonani iyuti endala le. Ngiphethe ihloko ebeyihamba phambili ey'ndabeni Kulelisonto.
This is Eyewitness News.
The National Coronavirus Command Council has decided to enforce a nationwide lockdown for 21 days with effect from midnight on Thursday, the 26th of March.
Kuphela iminyaka emine kwaqala ukhuvethe. Kanti ke lo bhubhane lwesifo seledlule nemiphefumulo elinganiselwa kwisigidi namakhulu 200,000. Singekhulumeke ngama-trillion amarandi alahlekile emnothweni wamazwe ehlukahlukene emhlabeni wonke. Intatheli yethu nokukhanya Mtambo isihlanganisele nanku umbiko.
Now, talking about the COVID-19 recovery requires peeling a few layers off. And at the top of that will, of course, be the conversation about what it did to the public healthcare sector. It was, after all, a public health crisis. Now, it's hard to forget just how much the pandemic stretched the sector in terms of finances, human resources, and the sort of research and surveillance that we needed to keep up with the crisis. Now, we spoke to some experts during the course of the week to get a sense of just how times have changed. And what they're saying is that the public healthcare sector is now worse off than it was 4 years ago when the devastating COVID-19 pandemic first hit. Overall, the consensus really is that the sector hasn't fully recovered. And I think safe to say that the country will remain on high alert for some time to come while recovery continues. Nokukhanya Mtambo, Eyewitness News.
Bebevela enkantolo namhlanje abameli bakaNandipha Magudumane ukuzama ukuvimba inkampani kamabonakude Showmax ukuthi ingalisakaza uhlelo ngecala lakhe nesoka lakhe uThabo Bester. Lokhu kulandela ukuthi uMagudumane noBester bebhalele le nkampani befuna ukuthi banikezwe ithuba lokulibuka lolu hlelo ngaphambi kokuthi lisakazwe.
Showmax is delighted that the High Court has upheld the public's right to watch the Tracking Thabo Bester documentary. The first 2 episodes of the documentary will be available to stream exclusively on Showmax from 4 o'clock this afternoon. And we think the public need to have the chance to watch the documentary and make up their minds for themselves.
Inkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli yalela ukuthi ayohlolwa odokotela bengqondo uMaligaju wakhona kuleli dolobha. Nemthole namacala okubulala kanye nokudlwengula besifazana abayisithupha. KoLwesithathu inkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli ithola uSifiso Mkhwanazi oneminyaka ama-21 namacala okubulala nokudlwengula besifazane ababehweba ngocansi phakathi kukaNdasa noLwezi ka-2022. Ubebhekene namacala ama-22 sewonke kubandakanya ukubulala, ukudlwengula kanye nokuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho. Usedluliselwe esibhedlela sabagula ngengqondo eSterkfontein.
We consider this matter the following order is made. It is ordered that 1, the accused is referred to the Sterkfontein Hospital for a report to be compiled by the psychiatrists in order for this court to determine as to whether the accused represents a danger to the physical or mental well-being of other persons of the community as provided for in section 286 capital A1 of Act 51 of 1977.
Icala lizobuyela enkantolo mhla ziyisishiyagalombili kuNhlaba. Imphakathi ethize yase-Eastern Cape ithi yona ayikayiboni lenkululeko ekukhulunywa ngayo. Impilo zayo isayifanela nje nasekuqaleni. Ungalethwa ngendlela kumbe ungalethwa nhlobo kweyidingonqangi kuloku kuqhubekile nokuba ingqinamba. Njengoba kuphela iminyaka eyama-30 kwabuswa uhulumeni wentando yeningi. Izindlu, ugesi, amanzi kanye nokuthuthwa kwendle izinto abazizwa ngendaba abantu abakhele lemphakathi. Iy'ngane zesikole endaweni yaseDikidikini eFlagstaff zakhumula zibe nqunu zinqamula umfula umzinhlava ogcwele uma ziya kumbe ibuya esikoleni. Othisha eMneketshe Combined School bathi kade uhulumeni wesifundazwe ayibathembise ngokuthi kuzokwakhiwa ibhlorho.
Uba ngasenzela nje ibridge, uba singenzelwa nje ibridge because ibridge yeyona nto isisokolisa kakhulu. Uba singenzelwa nje yona okanye silungiselwe nendlela le ukuze kuba nemoto ezizayo njengoba sifike ekuseni inye kuphela imoto ehambayo apha. Yesuka le ngapha ngaphezulu izothatha abahlali inyuke iye ngaphezulu iye down kobuya yona ezinye imoto azikwazi ukuza ngenxa yendlela, indlela yileni ihamba kuyo imbi.
Undunankulu wesifundazwe Oscar Mabuyane uthi yebo kona inkinga ikhona. Kakhulukazi ngasekusentshenzisweni kwezimali omasipala. Uthi kodwa uhulumeni wakhe wenza konke okusemandleni ukuzama ukuhlangabezana nezidingo zezakhamizi.
A lot of work is being done. A lot of work is being done by our municipalities, but also element of being disorganized, ill-discipline. I must say, it always has been there. Because sometimes even if they are given a small amount, 15 million to do infrastructure project, there might be a situation of under-expenditure because there is no forecast. There will be issues of poor audit outcomes. We are fixing those kind of issues. I can tell you now, as I'm seated now, no municipality in the Eastern Cape again is going to return the allocated infrastructure budget. Almost all our municipalities are working hard, focused on the issue of improving the audit outcome.
Asala ngenemeneza amaqembu ezepolitiki amaningana kulelisonto kulandela ukuphasiswa komthetho omusha ePhalamende ophathelene nesabelo sezimali asithola khulumeni. Ngaphansi kwe-Electoral Matters Amendment Bill, phakathi kokunye amaqembu ezepolitiki asezothola imali ngokwamanani ezihlala nazo ePhalamende.
The bill before us today is a crude attempt at directing more public and donor funds into the coffers of the ANC to help them to try and cling on to power.
In what can only be described as an unconstitutional money grab by the ruling party, they are today nullifying the levelling of the playing fields.
Sesphet, amabhokobhoko aqoqa inqwaba yey'ndondo kuma-South African Rugby Awards nabebanjelwe Randburg eGoli izolo. Nokuyinto engathusanga muntu-ke kulandela ukuvikela kwayo isicoco sawo sendebe yomhlaba ngenkulu impumelelo eFrance. Njengoba bekulindelekile, u-Izindaba udla umhlanganiso njengomdlali wonyaka. Intatheli yethu Mawande Mathezi ibikhona kuloya mcimbini.
I-look forward yamabhokobhoko u-Izindaba ukhethwe njengomdlali ohamba phambili kwi-SA Rugby Awards ebezibanjelwe eRandburg ngolwesine.
We work towards team trophies, winning World Cups, winning Rugby Championship, and this obviously, I mean, if you play well in the team, you sometimes get this reward. It's obviously, I would never say no to this unbelievable award to win, and I'm so humble and so honoured to win this reward. So I'm really happy about that. But yeah, we will always strive to win the team trophies. I mean, that's why we play the rugby, not tennis or golf.
U-Izindaba uphumelele eLwonga okwesibini iminyaka ilandelelana, elinganisa ugxa wakhe uPeter Steph du Toit owaphumelela ngo-2018 no-2019. Abanye baye baphumelela nguJacques Ninaba oye wahla kwisikhundla sakhe njengomqeqeshi wamabhokobhoko emva kokukhusela indebe yehlabathi eFrance kunye noLibby Janse van Rensburg odlalela iqela lesizwe lamanina. Uluhlu olupheleleyo lwabadlali namaqela aphumeleleyo lungafumaneka kuPrime Media Plus. Mawande Matheza, Eyewitness News Sport.
EWN app bakwethu. Nibe nempelasonto ephephile.
Eyewitness News, in touch, in tune, and independent. For the latest, log on to ewn.co.za or ewn.mobi.